So if you look at the screen right here on the variable, so if I hit 1, it goes up. If I hit the other one, it goes up. But if I hit them both, it doesn't. And that is the exclusive OR. That's part of the circuit I'm going to be designing. That, yeah, that's good. All right, so here is the circuit I built. And so it's a basic adder using two NAND gates, one OR gate, and two AND gates, I do believe. But yeah, so it goes when you put one. This, so first of all, I'll go over definitions. So this thing here, pin with this, I'll call this pin 1. Then over here, this is pin 2, or this is carry 1, and this is adder. This is input B. This is input A, and this is input carry. So when input A is true, you just 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, and then when input 2 is true, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then when carry is true and you get to carry in, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So this is the carry LED. But so you get a sum of 1 and you get a carry out of 1. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to do my best to explain how the adder works and try to talk you through it. So basically there's 2 pull-up resistors here before A and B. They basically function when one is pressed, it shorts the ground, and then over to 0 volts at the AND gate here. So these are basically just they work by shorting the ground and then bringing the voltage low. So when these are not shorted, there's basically there's a positive voltage A and B, and this OR gate. This is exclusive OR, so they're both true. So this will be this won't go. But then this AND A will go, and then if there is a carry, which is C, basically it shows that when how the inputs are related. So you have A and B. So if A is 0, so A will be 0 when you open the switch, or they open up this switch, so that they will pull it down to ground, and then the voltage will be 0 at this point. But when A is 0 and B is 0, so these are both low, then it goes in here. The XOR gate, they're both true, so the XOR gate, this won't fire. But then if you go down here, this AND gate will fire. And so this OR gate is not an exclusive OR gate. This is just an OR gate will fire if there is both A and B. And if there's A and B, then this exclusive OR won't fire. But if there is a C, which is the carry, which is here, C in, then the carry will go with A. So here I'm gonna just I'm not the smartest cookie, but I'm gonna go with you interactively through this all about electronics / half adder and full adder explained. So yeah. So a half adder is basically A and B as sum and carry, but it cannot take in another carry from. So it only adds A and B without taking a carry in. So yeah. and it's logically triggered like this. Basically we built this, but we built this plus a bit. So, you know, add some Boolean logic. We're not gonna. That's for Spark View. We don't worry about that. But now here, this is the full adder, which has A, B, and carry in, and then it has a sum, which we have, and the carry out. So here's the algebra, or the truth table, algebra, whatever. But yeah, like it's yeah, it's how it works. I'll link this in the description.